Hello, guys. Today we'll see the details about Buddhism. It is all collected information from different books, and I'm presenting it to you according to epics written. Buddhism is one of the oldest religion. Let's see what is Buddhism. It is attributed to Gautam Buddha, Lord Gautam Buddha. We say his name is Siddhartha Gautama, and he born in 5th century BC. What is the goal of Buddhism? The goal is to overcome the sorrow known as dukkha. To overcome sorrow is the goal of Buddhism. Many times in level 3 yoga it asks what is the goal of Buddhism. What Buddhist tradition emphasizes on, it is a transcending the individual by attaining the nirvana, that is a Buddhahood, and this is achieved by ending the cycle of death and rebirth. Again, similar to Jainism, but here the cycle is ended. That is a Buddhism concept. Very important, four noble Arya Satyas, four noble truth. Generally ask in exam what are the four noble truth. They'll ask which of the following is not the noble truth of Buddha. So first truth, the whole world is full of sorrow, suffering, okay, dukkha. The whole world is just full of sorrow. First one. Second, there are 12 samudaya or 12 nidan. There are ways by which the actually suffering originates. And then there is a nirvan or nirod, truth of the end of suffering, how it can be ended. And there are path. The fourth one is path, truth of the path to the end of suffering. What are the different path by which we can end this suffering? These are the four Arya Satya. What are the different 12 path or Ashtangika Marg? These 12 paths will actually lead to successful life and end the sorrow. The first path is right understanding. Second, right thought after the understanding. The thought when converted into speech, right speech. The speech which will lead to the action, right action. The right means of action. And then right efforts which are to be done to perform that action. Right mindfulness, awareness, and right concentrations for meditation. So it starts with the understanding and it actually go from right understanding to right meditation, right concentrations. So again, understanding, thought, speech, action, means of action, effort, mindfulness, awareness, and concentrations meditation. This is what Ashtangika Marg, eightfold path. Coming to very important thing, Buddha philosophy, all about where the three ratnas are given by Buddha philosophy. The Buddha means enlightened, Dhamma, doctrine, and Sangha is order. Sometimes they ask what are these known as? These are known as three jewels. What is Bodhisattva? Bodhisattva is like a sadhak in yoga. Bodhisattva is any person who is on the path towards the Buddhahood. So it is a sadhak. They are known as Bodhisattva. Let's go for questions. The question which generally ask till now, they have asked about where Gautam Buddha born in Lumbini, right? So what are the three different Buddhist architecture? Generally, Buddhist, they there is a stupa, that is a relics of monks, and chaitya, prayer hall, and vihara, that is residence of Buddhist monk. Where Buddhism believes in ahimsa, whether Buddhism believes in ahimsa? Yes. Even Jainism believes in ahimsa, and Buddhism also believes in ahimsa. Arya Satya is concept in which religion? This is generally question asked. Answer is Buddhism. In which place Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon? And the answer is Sarnath. It is in Banaras, that is Varanasi, near the Ganges. Actually, it is some 50 kilometers from the Ganges. So the answer is Sarnath. Gautam Buddha got enlightenment where and at what age? It is under Bodhi tree and at the age of 35. What is the meaning of Buddha? The meaning of Buddha is awaken and enlighten. So the question, very important, Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini. Thank you guys. Thanks. Today we saw Buddhism. Thank you very much.